Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network congested problem on Bybit. So sometimes whenever you try to withdraw your money from your Bybit account to any of your favorite exchanges or wallet, you face this type of problem where you won't be able to withdraw due to network congestion problem. So in order to fix this problem, all you have to do is to simply wait for some time. I would recommend you to wait for at least 2 to 4 hours, and after that you can try again. You can even try to do it in the night, because in the night the rush is very less, and in that time you are going to easily get withdrawals from your Bybit account, and you won't be able to face this type of problem. Now the second method that you can use in order to fix this problem is you can simply check your internet connection, because sometimes when the internet connection is not stable or not good, we can face these types of errors. So if you see that your internet connection is not going good, so you can try this method in which you will have to simply swipe down your notification bar and tap on this airplane mode. Now wait for a few seconds and tap on airplane mode again. So what this will do is it will help you in improving your internet connection speed. So after this method, you can just try to withdraw from your Bybit account, and this time you should not be faced this network congested problem on Bybit. So if this video helped you out, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.